How to make the looping freeze frame effect. Today's video is sponsored by Donkey Kong. Make your cut a new Fusion clip, and open the Fusion page. Add a time speed node. Set the speed to 20. Now that your clip is faster, find the frame where it is ending, in my case is the frame 15. Bring the Loopzilla tool. For this you gonna need to install the Reactor plugin, and activate the STX tools. Set the start value to 0, and the end value to the number where your clip is ending, plus one more frame for the loop. So in my case was the frame 15, I will set the end to frame 16. Change the dissolve value to 1. Now that you've made your loop, add a merge tool. Select your video clip, duplicate it and bring it in empty space. Drag it to the left viewer, and search for the frame you want to freeze. In my case is the frame 243. Add a time stretcher node. Deactivate the keyframe button, and set the source time to your desired freeze frame. I will use the 243 frame. Bring a polygon mask, without connecting it anywhere. Draw a mask around your subject. This is the part where I will mumble about myself and pretend that I'm very successful filmmaker, although I'm still making some basic YouTube videos. When you finish the mask, connect it to the duplicated clip, and add a bit of soft edge to the mask. Add a merge node after the time stretcher. Bring an edge detect node in empty space, and connect the time stretcher to it. Change the mode to grayscale edges, and adjust the parameters. Add a luma keyer node. Bring up the low value, and increase the contract slider. Add a glow node. Bring down the shine threshold. Set the spread slightly above 0, change the color of the glow, and increase the gain slider. Add a displace node after the glow. Bring a fast noise node. Set the scale amount to 30, increase the seethe rate to 1, right-click to the seethe slider and select to modify with anim curves. Connect the fast noise to the displace. Select the displace node, increase the refraction strength to your liking, and move the center point somewhere in the middle of your subject. Connect the displace node to the merge. If you don't want some part of that glowing edge, just add a mask to that merge. Connect this merge node to the first one, and you've made your effect. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, go back to your cave.